Hi, I'm Ryan Szymanski, curator for Battleship New Jersey Museum and Memorial. Today I'd like to wish all of the Marines out there a happy 248th Marine Corps birthday. November 10th, 1775, the Continental Marines were founded just a little less than a month after the Continental Navy. The Marines' original only intention was to guard Continental Navy ships, although in the last 240 years they've grown into so much more. In today's video, we're going to show you how the ship's crew celebrated the Marine Corps' birthday in 1988 under Captain, later Admiral Douglas Katz, right here in the wardroom.
On November 1st, 1921, John A. Lejeune, 13th Commandant of the Marine Corps, directed that a reminder of the honorable service of Corps of Marines was created by resolution of the Continental Congress. Since that date, many thousand men have borne the name Marine. In memory of them, it is fitting that we, who are Marines, should commemorate the birthday of our Corps by calling to mind the glories of its existence. The Marine Corps has been in action against the nation's foes. From the Battle of Trenton to Argonne, Marines have won foremost honors in war and in the skirmish since the birth of our Corps. Marines have, from generation to generation, and has been the distinguishing mark of the Marines in every age. So long as that spirit continues to flourish, we are warriors first and foremost. Our physical and mental being must be concentrated on enhancing within ourselves what we call the warrior virtues: courage, integrity, intelligence, and concerned leadership. Our predecessors understood and possessed these virtues. If they had not, they would not have triumphed in battle at Belleau Wood, Iwo Jima, the chosen reservoir, or throughout the I Corps Tactical Zone in Vietnam. As we celebrate the 213th birthday of your Corps, I would ask that each of us take a moment to reflect on those Marines who have preceded us, and to rededicate ourselves toward achieving and maintaining the higher standard of excellence that the nation expects of her Marines. Happy birthday to all Marines, to the sailors who serve with us, to the civilians who support us, and to our very special Marine Corps family. General Gray.
The 10th of November, we decided it would be fitting to end Battleship's Western Pacific deployment with this ceremony. Since 1775, Marines have always found time to celebrate their birthday, be it in the jungles of the Pacific or Vietnam, the trenches of France, or the frozen slope of Korea. And so, here we are aboard the USS New Jersey, celebrating glories of years past, remembering comrades long gone, and hoping for a great future. Semper Fidelis, happy birthday, Marines. Our guest, Captain DJ Katz.
Thank you, Captain Guzman. I'm the only one who does not have prepared remarks, but let me just say, from the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, from Sydney, Australia, to Long Beach, California. To the Marines who served us in security throughout a deployment, to nuclear protesters, stopping and starting and working with them. We've done it then, we're champions of boxing. Literally a few days ago, you have many tasks ahead of you, and only seeing your loved ones in Long Beach, but to a battalion inspection, and then followed by a nuclear weapons acceptance inspection. Marines are the strong arms, they are the Navy. They've been with us since the beginning. It's your 213th birthday, as it is ours. We couldn't get along without you. We can't survive without you. You've done it well through the decades. You'll do well in the future. and I, speaking for the officers and men of this ship, I'm proud to be serving with you, proud of your reputation, proud of your skill, but more importantly, that you and we are proud of you. You've done a super job for us, and it's a pleasure for us to help celebrate your 213th birthday. Thank you.
Captain Guzman is presenting a piece of cake to the oldest Marine in the Marine Detachment, Gunnery Sergeant Snopper. And he'll be presenting a piece of cake to the youngest Marine, Lance Corporal Fenstermaker. The significance of the oldest and youngest Marines getting a piece of cake is the pride and tradition of Marines, passed on from generation to generation. Thus, the legacy of the Corps survives.
Ready, base. Forward, march.
What's your favorite kind of cake? Looks like they used a chocolate cake there. I actually prefer lemon meringue pie. Battleship New Jersey receives operating support from the New Jersey Department of State, also from a number of other businesses and private individuals like yourselves. We really appreciate your support. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to donate to support the museum. You can also support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing so more people find out about us and the channel. Thanks for watching.